Happy Friday, parents. It was a great week. I'm just realizing that it is still dark outside. It gets dark far too early now. I hope that you guys had a great week as well. We were very productive this week. I think that so often we come back from Thanksgiving and I just noticed the kids come back very different. They come back a little bit more mature. They come back as middle of the year third graders, really ready to learn. And so I was really impressed with the productivity this week. In reading, we working on race responses, and so those are just responses that use a text that are very detailed. So the R in race stands for recycle the prompt. The A stands for answer the prompt. The C stands for citing their evidence, and the E stands for explaining their evidence. And so the kids did a really great job with it. In math, my math class finished up area, and the other math classes worked on multiplication times 10 and different strategies with that. We worked on text-based writing and writing this week, and really looked at informational text and how you can pull out our stars and bars, which are basically our main ideas with some details. And they did a really great job with that as well. Just a reminder, next week we'll have another spelling test on Tuesday. So we did have that week off, but they should have list 13 at home. And we will test on Tuesday. Also next week, Monday and Tuesday are map testing. And so doesn't change anything in the schedule. It's just our middle of the year testing to really see what we can do when we get back from break to make sure we are setting them up for success for second semester. Aside from that, our holiday party will be on the 18th of December, the day that we leave for break. We'll be watching Polar Express and having some snacks. And so I did include a sign up. We will also be building gingerbread houses. And so any donations are much appreciated. If you have any questions about the week, or if you or noticing anything that you'd love to chat about, just let me know. And I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks.